What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Blaine, and today we're gonna be working on the 350Z. We're gonna get back into the groove of making more videos. So anyway, today we're gonna be installing some more LasFit products onto the 350Z. The homies over there sent out some turn signals for us. It's the new turn signals that they got. So we're gonna go ahead and install them right now on the Z. We're gonna show you just how easy it is. It's pretty much plug and play. Alright guys, so here we go. We're at the Z right now. Gonna go ahead and undo this bolt right here. Do I have another one? Yes, it's bolted down again somewhere over here. Just take this out like that. Okay, we're gonna use Christine's car as a desk, as a workbench. She's over there working hard on her fenders. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and install it. All you do is you come in the back, you pop open your turn signal, you twist it, you pull out the socket, pops right out. Just pull it out like that. So you take your LasFit bulb, either way it works. You just pop it in just like that, stick it right back inside, and then you lock it down. Now we're gonna take this back to the car. Then you go ahead and plug in the light. Throw it right back in there. Let's go ahead and turn on the hazards. All right, so that's stuck. And that's freaking bright. You can see that super good. Okay guys, so we're gonna wait till sundown so that we can show you guys the nighttime example of the stock bulb versus the LasFit LED bulb, all right?
So today we're gonna be finishing up the SSRs. So in the last one you guys saw that we got one of the rears together and it looks so good. So we're actually gonna go ahead and split the barrels so that way we can reseal everything, and we also need to get new valve stems for this because the position of the valve stem is not lining up with these wheels because they're made for those ones over there. So we're gonna have to figure out something to do with them because they're a little bit off. So what we're probably going to end up doing is putting some of these rubber valve stems in so that way it can stick straight through and we won't really have a problem filling it because it can just reach in the back. It's a lot easier than when we had these on the emits. You have to go from the back of the wheel. These ones should work fairly good. So we just went to Walmart to pick up more things for the wheels. So we got some polish and then some silicone to seal up the wheels when we're done, and then this wire brush so that way we can go ahead and take all the old silicone off. Okay guys, so now all the silicone is taken off of the barrels. So now we're gonna work on this other rear. The faces aren't bolted down yet, so you can just pull it right out. So now that all the silicone is off, we're gonna go ahead and bolt in the face so that way we can go ahead and seal it.
Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and seal up the wheel now. So Christine's gonna go ahead and lay down some painter's tape, so it's gonna act as like a guide for the sealant. Pretty much all you're gonna do is you're gonna lay 2 strips on either side of the seam, and this is gonna act as like a sealant so the air doesn't leak out between the 2 barrels.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, you want to seal it or should I seal it? I'll smooth it out. You shoot the gun.
You push it into, or just?
Yeah, that's fine. Do how you're doing is good. Best part. Okay, so when you fill up the seam, you don't need to put an excess amount. In terms of like sealant, less is more. The more you put, the more you build up. It could like get caught when you mount the tires and stuff. You only really need a thin layer to fill that seam. There's actually a lot because I cut the barrels, so a majority of this is filled, but it's not overly filled. So this seal right here should be perfect. So just go over it, make sure there's no air bubbles or spots that look like it doesn't have any sealant. That's good. Look at this. Sick.
Yeah.
Okay guys, I think it's dark enough, so let's go ahead and test out these lights. Okay guys, so I'm in the garage right now. It's at nighttime, so I'm gonna show you guys. Ready? Look at how bright this turn signal is. This is the OEM bulb, and look at how much brighter this bulb is. LasFit LED and the OEM bulb. LasFit, look at that, it's so bright it doesn't even focus. OEM. And this is with my tinted headlights now. Look how bright that is. That's crazy. Okay, I want to just thank LasFit for rocking with us and sending out those LEDs and always supporting our builds. You guys are the best. If you guys want to go pick up some of their products, head to the description. I have links to their products down below, alright? Again, big shout out to LasFit. Thank you guys so much.